Morning, everybody. Let's take a look around the day after. Here's my biggest snowdrift, and it is up to my waist, pretty much. Upper. Sarah's car is all buried in there. Drove it yesterday. Come around the side here. And the wind is pushed up past my knees. The wind has pushed up the snow up against the house. This drift here is about 5 feet. It's up to my chest. There's a 65 Galaxy hiding underneath that one. I'm up to my knees right now. Look at this trooper. Look at this trooper. Up to my knees still. 2 quads and a lawn tractor. Down the back alley here, still up to my knees. My car is in the garage. And the whole way down the alley, the snow is at least to my knees. So we'll see how the old snowblower does today. This snowdrift is past my knees. Pupper's got the idea. Come on.